G'day, it's Brian Peters again from Canberra, Australia. As previously mentioned, I sell my product on Amazon Australia and Amazon the UK, which I have for the last 4 years. Today I'd like to talk about reviews left on Amazon by customers. Now, these are verified purchases, which means that customers actually bought the product on Amazon and they left a review. These are genuine reviews. There's been no incentive for people to leave these reviews. First of all, I could jump on Amazon Australia and just read and show you some of the reviews. So first of all, there's my product there. It's Canberry White and Canberry Blue. You can see my competitor's product next to it. So I jump on Canberry White to start with. You can see Canberry White has 132 4.2 star reviews. It's actually Amazon's choice right now, which is great. You can page down through the listing. It just shows you information about the product. At the bottom there, you can actually read the customer reviews. So, as I previously mentioned, it's got verified purchase, so it's people who have actually bought the product. And you can just jump on Amazon and just scroll down and read the reviews yourself. I'm not going to read them right now, but you can jump on yourself and read them. That's Canberry White. I'll go to Canberry Blue. Canberry Blue has 155 4.2 star reviews, which is great for Amazon. Once again, you can page down through the listing and read the customer reviews. It's down the bottom of the page. You can do that at your leisure. Just jump on amazon.com.au and you can page down and read the reviews that people are left. As mentioned before, I sell the product on Amazon UK as well. Let's jump into there. Yeah. So it's Canberry Blue. Canberry Blue has 772 3.9 star reviews, which is still good as far as Amazon is concerned. I've got more reviews on Amazon the UK because it's simply got a larger population of people than Australia. Amazon UK is amazon.co.uk. If you want to jump on and read the reviews, and you just change the address to a UK address or UK postcode. You can scroll down and read the reviews to the left here. And also, I've got a Canberry White. There it is there. Canberry White has 1,078 4-star reviews. And once again, I'll just page down through the listing. You can see other competitors there as well. And read the reviews. As previously mentioned on the last video, my product is TGA registered here in Australia. The product is also MHRA registered in the UK, which is similar to the TGA here in Australia, which we had to do testing and so on to get it approved over there. Now, in the UK as well as Australia, there is cheaper Chinese products that are selling on Amazon illegally, which they shouldn't be, but they are, and they seem to get away with it. But anyway, there's my product. I'm Brian Peters. Thank you for watching.